You are important, or you are important is probably the only way you know to say that somebody is important to you. Mais songez bien, gen an pile l'autre façon ou ka utiliser, ou an pile l'autre moyen ou ka utiliser l'autre phrase pour dire un monde important pour vous. Et bien dans vidéo aujourd'hui, je vais apprendre quelques phrases ou ka utiliser au lieu où seulement répéter you are important to me. Avant que nous perdions trop de temps, guys, on allait dans vidéo. The first phrase that I have for you today, guys, we have you mean the world to me.
You mean the world to me.
Say you mean the world. You say the world. You mean the world to me. So, ou pral utiliser phrase ça pour dire un monde vraiment important comme si monde ça li signifie un pile bagay nan yo. You say you mean the world to me. Your baby, for example, could mean the world to you. Most specifically the first. And we have the second one. You are the most important person to me.
You're the most important person to me.
You are the most important person to me. Listen right here. I say most, not must. I say most important. Okay, the linking. You are the most important person to me. Moun sa ou di li vraiment important. C'est moun ki plus important. Gan pile l'autre moun ki important pour eux, mais moun sa li même li pi important que tout reste yo. Okay, the most important person. The next we have you are irreplaceable to me.
You're irreplaceable.
You are irreplaceable. So, what does that mean, guys? If somebody is irreplaceable. Un moun ki irreplaceable, c'est soit dire un moun ki irremplaçable. Un moun ou pas ka remplacer. I don't know if that person is water for you or if that person's money, mais that person is irreplaceable. Moun sa wa ka remplacer. Ba kon sa la pied pour, si c'est de l'eau la pied ou bien si c'est l'argent, si l'air tout, I don't know. But tellement moun sa important pour vous faire comprendre que that person is irreplaceable. And the next one, we have I cherish our relationship or friendship.
I really cherish our friendship.
You say cherish. Here we say I cherish our relationship or friendship. So when you cherish something, guys, what do you do exactly? That means you gave value to that thing. Or if you're talking about a person, you gave value. You cherish something or someone when you value that thing or that person. Someone who ba pile valeur, someone who vraiment aime, ou gan pile estime pour lui. Now you can use the word cherish. So to cherish a relationship, c'est un bagay ou ba pile importance dans vie. All right? That's the reason why you say cherish a relationship. It could be a romantic relationship, or it could be simply a friendship, okay, en relation amicale. And the next, we have, you are a significant part of my life.
A significant part of my life.
You are a significant part of my life. Say significant. This word is pronounced like sig. Significant. Significant part of my life. You are a significant part of my life. Veut dire ki sa? Son moun ki vle di an pile bagay pou. Son moun ki vraiment genyon espace li occupé dans la vie ki m'kapab di ki vraiment grand. Significant means a big, enormous, okay, gigantic. All right, a significant part of my life. That's the moun sa li même li occupé un grand espace dans vie. Let's move on, guys, to the next one. We have the number 6. We say, you are truly precious to me.
You're very precious to me.
You are truly precious. This word is pronounced like precious. Precious. Here, a C-I-O-U-S is pronounced like shes. Precious. If something is precious to your eyes, that means it's extremely important. So, by ki gen pile importance, extrêmement important pour vous, okay? It's precious, all right? If somebody is truly precious to you, that means that person is extremely important. And the next, and this is the last, we say, I could not or I couldn't imagine my life without you.
I couldn't imagine my life without you.
I couldn't imagine my life without you. This word, we say couldn't, could not, the contracted form, couldn't. Imagine. This is pronounced like imagine. Imagine. Imagine my life without you. I couldn't imagine my life without you. So, m'pa imaginer la vie sans ou. Alright? Ou tellement important pour moi, m'pa ka imaginer si ko pat existe, comment ça t'a pied. I couldn't imagine that. And the same thing goes for English honorees, guys. I couldn't imagine this YouTube channel without you. That's the reason why I kindly ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. Like the video and share it to your friend. Don't forget, we love you so much.